Right, let's make custom cruisers. See here, awesome springers going on this bike. Just mocking up the fender. We've got the Ultima 4-piston caliper going on. We've got the Paugho shock. Original Rocker C headlight fitted. This will all be done in braided, so it'll look really cool. 1 1/4 bars. You can see these awesome bars. Wasting down, really cool. Also 1 1/4 in the middle, as opposed to this ridiculous thin things that waste down. Beautiful Paugho springers. Little bracket we made here to lift the headlight up and get the shock length right. Because as the springers take the weight, this will actually move up, which means you've got to check you have got the correct clearance. This is a carbon fender from Harley Ness. Very, very cool fender. We've got a white wall 2180 spoke stainless. We've got a Ultima caliper with an Ultima disc. Mid USA wheel. Very cool. This side we're still mocking up. This one here hasn't worked. We thought it would, but it's not actually wide enough. The guy who made it's actually screwed it up, but you can get the idea that in fact, no, that way, sorry, it would actually fit that way, but it isn't physically wide enough for the fender, even though I told him it needed to be. Okay, so as you can see, this side unfortunately not done. Very cool bike. You can see on our ramp, beautiful Paugho B1000. As you can see, the fender might be trimmed, possibly here. Depends what the customer wants. I know he said he wanted to see all the white wall, but to be honest with you, this is painted red like the bike. I think it'll look pretty bloody cool. If you're interested in the awesome work, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site when it's ever done. God help us. Press to shop, the French are a nightmare. Give us a call. Thank you.